Hello and welcome to How to Use the eLibrary with Libby from Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. Here we go. In order to use any of our online services, you must have a valid library card from Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. Next, we need to decide which device we want to use. If you're using your iPad, tablet, or phone, this tutorial is for you. If you have an e-reader or want to use your desktop or laptop, please refer to our tutorial, How to Use the eLibrary with your e-reader. Unfortunately, if you are using a Kindle, those devices are not compatible with Overdrive eLibraries in Canada. Let's get started. Please go to your App Store. This will be wherever you go on your tablet or iPad, where you search for and download apps to your device. Tap. Next, simply type in Libby in your search bar and tap either Libby or Libby by Overdrive. Libby will appear on a page with other apps. Libby is the lovely maroon and teal colored app. She's located at the top right-hand side of my screen. And click Get. Once the app has downloaded, tap Open. Once you tap Open, it will take you directly into the app. But if you go back to your home screen, the icon will be right there. Here she is. This app is very user-friendly and intuitive. It makes sense. Just follow the on-screen directions and you will be reading an ebook in no time at all. So, if you have a library card, tap Yes. Have your card handy. You will need it soon. Remember, your PIN number is usually the last 4 digits of the phone number you used when you registered. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can easily retrieve it on our website at www.nlpl.ca. Libby needs to find your library so that you can connect and validate your library account. You can search for your library or let Libby do it for you. Let's search. Type Newfoundland in the box provided, and the option for Newfoundland and Labrador libraries will pop up. Tap on the box. You're now ready to enter your card information. See, I told you you needed your card handy. If you wanted to see what it looks like when the library app guesses your library, this will only work if you have location service toggled on under your privacy settings. Otherwise, your device cannot locate you and Libby cannot locate your library. Let's tap Guess My Library. This screen will appear. Just wait. And then, ta-da! Here is the library that is geographically closest to you. Tap This is my library if it's your library. Just note, all Newfoundland and Labrador public libraries will get you to the eLibrary because we all use the same one together. If it's not your library, tap No, keep looking. Here we are back at the account entry page. Tap Enter Library Account Details. If you do not have a library card and would like to register online, tap I would like a library card, and you will be redirected to a form that you can fill out to receive your library card information via email. Please enter your 13-digit library card number located below the barcode on your library card. Tap Next. Enter your 4-digit PIN. Tap Sign in. Here we are, all signed in. Tap Next. Now for the fun part. Here is our or electronic library. It is a virtual collection of digital ebooks and audiobooks for everyone. There are fiction, nonfiction, and children's books. There are thousands of items ready for you to check out and use anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The eLibrary is always open and available from the comfort of your own home. All you need is a library card and an internet connection. Let's explore. There's something for everyone, and there are new items being added frequently. The Kids page is a page for children and has been filtered so there is no adult content shown. It is a safe place for your child to browse and use the eLibrary. The Teen page is similar, but is for teens with filter applied to show only teen material. Cool. This is the Mystery and Thriller page. You can apply filters to the page so that you can see only the items you are interested in more easily. No scrolling through items you don't want or are not of interest to you. Let's look at those filters. Back at the main page of the eLibrary, you'll see Preferences located on the left-hand side of the screen. Tap. Preferences allows you to limit what you see when you search and what appears automatically on the page when you enter the app. You can limit to just books or just audiobooks. You can limit by language. Availability is the best preference for me. It allows you to see only the items that are available to check out right now. If you want to, choose Available Now. If an item is in use, you can place a hold, just like a physical book or audiobook, but sometimes you just want a book right now. You can also choose how your choices are displayed, by relevance, how close it is to your search criteria, popularity, the date it was added, its release date, or alphabetically by author. Back at the main page of the eLibrary, at the top right-hand portion of the screen, is an icon for your notifications. This is where you'll find information about books that you have placed on hold, books that are coming due. Simply tap Notifications. You now have the option to change and manage how you receive notifications from Libby. Tap Manage Notifications. Simply read and indicate your notification preference. Either email notification, menu badge, your notifications will show in your app here, under notifications, or ignore and you will get no notifications at all. Once complete, select Back. Your notification page also has help and support options. Please feel free to explore them. Learn Libby is an in-depth step-by-step guide. We're back at the home page. At the home page, you'll see the library and shelf options. These menu options are available throughout the app and will always be located at the bottom of your screen. If they're not there, simply tap the bottom of the screen and they'll appear. At the top of the page is a search bar. You can search just by typing in title or author or subject. The app will provide you with some pre-filled options. Type in your search. This is great when you cannot remember the whole title. Libby tries to help you out. Once you type the item that you're interested in, if the item is available, you can borrow it. If not, just place it on hold. You can also read or listen to a sample and tag it to keep your reading options organized. Tapping Shelf will take you to your virtual bookshelf. This is where you'll find books that you have checked out, as well as holds that you're waiting to receive. Here's my shelf. Loans. There's a limit of 5 items maximum that you can check out at a time, and that's for 2 weeks at a time, maximum. You can change your options to 7 days if you prefer a quick turnover of items. Ebook and audiobooks return themselves. No overdue fees with the Libby app. As you can see, I have an eclectic choice of reading material. Simply tap Open Book and start or continue reading. Libby will take you right back to where you left off. You can also manage your loan. By returning a book early, you can check out another book, especially if you've maxed out your 5 items. Your hold shelf can contain 25 items at a time. As items are received and you check them out, you can add more. Your hold shelf will show books that you are waiting on, and even give you an estimation of when a book will arrive. Wow, I have a long time to wait for that one. When you tag an item, this is where it's stored and sorted. When searching and browsing, you can tag items for future referral. I have a wish list of items that I want to read sometime in the future, but I don't want to check them out or place them on hold right now. Just return to this page to check for your lists. Here are my lists. Books I read, books I liked, books I didn't like, and books that I want to read. You can create any kind of tag. These are private and for your use only. Here are special features for our eLibrary. Catch of the Day is a special collection of high-demand books that you can check out for 7 days, 14 days for audiobooks. No holds, no waiting. Titles change daily depending on availability. Check back often. No telling what you could catch. Our special collections change and reflect our community and current events. These collections are thoughtfully curated by our librarians from the current digital holdings. They are updated frequently. They're on a wide range of subjects, interests, and content. No wait classics are available to unlimited number of patrons all at the same time. Great for book clubs. Everyone can read the same thing at the same time with no waiting. The app is now all yours to enjoy any time of the day or night. Exploring the app is the best way to become familiar with all its options and see what works best for you. Have fun! Thank you. If you need help with the eLibrary or are experiencing problems, please refer to https://elibrarysupport.nlpl.ca/. If you have problems with the app itself, tap your notifications icon, go to Get Help. It's located under Help and Support. Or contact your local library. We'll be happy to help. Have a great day.